Hello everyone, welcome to this learning session. So today we will discuss about how to check the SAP server information. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this is we have an initial screen of SAP servers. Okay, we are going to log in into we have logged successfully in this server SAP ECC server. Now you can see here we have a one icon called system. Okay, this is a menu you can say. Okay, click on SAP system. Okay, now you can go into status. Okay, click on this status. Yes, now you can see the system related informations. Okay, or server related informations. You can see the user data client. This is the user. Okay, we have logged. This is the languages we have used English. Okay, previous. This is the previous login. Okay, and then login time. We have a system time. We have a zone GMT. Okay, so whatever the detail about the information of the system, you can see here. Okay, even you can see number of failed password login attempt, that is 0. Okay, SAP data. Okay, so what are the basically SAP data and where is this saved? Okay, so all the detail, like we have transactions, we have a screen programs, we have a screen number, we have a GUI programs. Okay, we have a GUI status. Okay, now you can see component versions. This is a system, SAP system data. Okay, so you can see component versions. Okay, this is the SAP ERP 6.0 version of SAP. This is the installation number of the SAP ECC servers. This is the license expire. It is going to expire on this date. This is expiration. And what kind of like a code a system supported? That is a Unicode. That is yes, that is Unicode supported. Even host data, you can see window NT as the operating systems used. Even machine, this is machine type. We have a server name. This is a server name and platform ID 262. Okay. Now, what are the database basically used? It has used MS SQL. It is the release of MS SQL 11.0. Okay. And name of this host or database, that is EC EH7, and host, that is ECC EH7, and owner of this server basically EH7. Okay. Now we will go to more detail about the component related to the SAP ECC. Okay. Now click here. Now you can see here the installed software component version. So what kind of component have installed, you can see in this screen. Okay, you can see all the related like GUI basis. Okay, we have BW. You can see the business warehouse 7.0 installed. Okay, so all the related informations, okay, which are installed over this server, you will see here in this list. So this is the list of installed your component or versions. Even you can see installed product versions. So also you can see here what are the okay component or versions. You can see here ERP. This is the ERP 6.0 you already installed. So likewise, we have SAP NetWeaver 7.4 have installed. So this is the like way we can check the system related information. So this is the way we can check it. So this is the we have a session for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.